In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a sprint board on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we need to set up our board. Begin by accessing the Template Center. You can do this directly from your homepage. Simply click on the option that says Start with Template. Once you're there, you can find the exact template we need for our sprint. In the search bar, type Sprint and look for the matching template that appears. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on Use Template. What this does is build a pre-structured board for you within your workspace, making it much easier to get started. Now that we have our board set up, it's time to define our sprint capacity. At the top section of the board, you should see an option to insert gross capacity. Click on that and enter the total hours or story points that your team has available for this sprint. This number is crucial as it provides a framework for your workflow. After that, you'll want to set your planned capacity. Click on Insert Planned Capacity to enter the actual workload that you've scheduled, taking into consideration things like meetings, holidays, or training. Doing this gives you a clear view of whether your team is overbooked or has enough capacity to keep things running smoothly. Next, let's document the sprint context. This is where we can add important details that will guide the team throughout the sprint. Find the Type a Note field and click into it to add any specific goals, constraints, or key dates that are relevant for the current sprint. This context is essential because it keeps everyone aligned on what the sprint's focus should be, ensuring that no critical points are missed. Now it's time to tailor the workflow to fit your team's needs. You'll want to navigate through the board to rename the groups according to your workflow, such as changing them to Backlog, Sprint 1, and Done. This allows for better organization and clarity. While you're at it, also adjust the item titles that represent your specific tasks. This personalization of groups and items helps everyone understand their responsibilities better. The next step is to update your columns. Start with the Owner column. Here, you'll assign tasks to specific team members so everyone knows who is responsible for what. Next, look at the Status column. It's important to update this regularly to reflect the current state of tasks, whether they are in progress, completed, or blocked. Finally, ensure that the Estimates column is set correctly, as this will help in predicting how long tasks are likely to take based on previous sprints or existing workload. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively create and manage a sprint board on Monday.com that will keep your team organized and aligned with the sprint's goals. Remember, the more tailored you make this board to your team's workflow, the more effective it will be. Thanks for watching, and happy sprinting.